Okay, a manufacturer wants to make a clock in the shape of an equilateral triangle with a height of 24 centimeters. What is the length of each side of the clock? Okay, so they want to make a clock shaped like an equilateral triangle. It's a pretty ugly drawing, but what does equilateral mean? Well, remember it means that all of your sides are the same length. What did that mean for our angles? Remember it meant all the angles were equal. And that made them each 60 degrees. Okay, they say the height of this triangle, which is the distance straight up from the middle, the height was 24 centimeters, and they want to find out what's the length of one side of this clock. So I'm just going to pull this triangle right here over to the side. We are looking for this value right here. We know this is 24. Okay, we know we have a 60-degree angle here, and this one right here, what would it be? Well, it was a 60-degree angle, but when we drew our height, we split it in half. So 60 divided by 2 left us with a 30-degree angle. So we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We are looking for what? The side across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. We have, what part do we have? Well, see, this would be our short leg here across from the 30. We have the long leg. So when dealing with 30, 60, 90 triangles, you should have in your notes the formulas that go with that. You should also have the note that says always find the short leg first. That's what we're going to do. Find the short leg. Now in your formulas, the short leg you can find using either the hypotenuse or the long leg. And since we have the long leg, that's the one we want to use. Okay? And that formula is that the short leg is equal to the long leg divided by the square root of 3. Okay? So that means our short leg is going to be 24 divided by the square root of 3. We're rounding our answers here, so we're just going to put that in our calculator and find out what it is. 24 divided by the square root of 3 is 13.856. Okay, and it wants our answers to the nearest tenth. I'm going to leave it out for now because that's not the one we're looking for. Okay, our rule was to find the short leg first, and we did. So the length of this leg, the short leg, is 13.856. We need the hypotenuse, which is the short leg times 2. If you look in your formulas, you should see when you're looking for hypotenuse, it's the short leg times 2, not the square root of 2, 2. So our hypotenuse, which is what we're looking for here, is our 13.856 times 2. Oh, when I multiply that, I get 27.712. Okay, it wanted it rounded to the nearest tenth, which is one place after the decimal. I look at that next number as 1, so it's just going to stay. It's not going to round up. It's just going to stay at 27.7, and these were centimeters. Okay, so the height was the long leg in my triangle. I used that to find the short leg, and then used the short leg to find the hypotenuse.